get a 5% gap, you get a 10% morning spike. Your risk reward is just so good.
What is your a lot of newer traders will be like, what should I be looking for? So what is your favorite setup? Not that they should trade it, but this Monday, what are you going to be looking for? What's your dream setup?
Basically, from April, for my first red month, to like now, I've struggled, and I've just made a couple grand a month, like back to when I first started in 2018. And it's basically because, I'm trying to do too much. I'm trying to long NASDAQ stocks. I'm trying to short NASDAQ stocks. And that's really just not my forte. That's not what I've made the most money doing. That's not what I feel the most comfortable with. That's not where I can achieve the highest risk reward for me. And what I'm getting back to right now is where I've made all my money, and that's through mostly OTC longs. And what I look for is a stock to have a morning spike and then go sideways throughout the day, proving that it's holding over VWAP. So, the buyer's in control, the sellers are not in control. And when it starts to perk up late day, I like to go long into that perk. And, if it's a stuff, I can just sell immediately because the consolidation is right there and you have a good level to risk off of. But if it starts to go, then maybe you can add into your winner a little bit and raise your risk up. And then if that closes up near its highs, you get a 5% gap, you get a 10% morning spike. Your risk reward is just so good buying that volume perk and then just adding in and having your risk tight. Because a lot of people don't understand that your risk really isn't tested on these kind of late day plays when they start spiking, because it's not gonna spike up, break high a day, and then immediately dump back down under VWAP and then finish at the high a day.
Right.
It's usually going to be something really clean, and that's something that you can capitalize on. And those are my favorite setups. One of my other favorite setups is low price penny stock breakouts, because there's not a lot of competition there. And
now, what's low price to you?
Low price meaning 1 cent to 10 cents.
Okay.
And I can buy 300,000 shares and slowly average in 50,000 shares at a time as it keeps working for me. And those setups, I can make 2-3 cents and basically have a break-even stop too if it fails. And you can make 30, 40, 50%, some of my best gains on those. And those have massive volume. There's no algo shorting those or anything. It's just basically buyers going nuts.
Yep.
And I hop on the train of hype and I hop off when it starts to get too crazy.
So you mentioned kind of your goals heading here forward. Kind of what's the future for Jack? What's your plans?
I just want to keep trading and getting better and maybe travel a little bit more next year. I'm gonna go back home to Connecticut. With Dom, I was in the office for a year.
Yep.
I'm gonna go back to Connecticut for a little bit, and then I might go out to California and Arizona to visit Huddy and Roland, and then I don't know, maybe go to Europe or something.
Nice.
And just be free next year and have home base be my home in Connecticut. Keep working at my trading and see if I can just keep those profits going. Maybe hit 250,000, 300,000 by the end of next year is probably my monetary goal for amount of money I want to make trading, and really just focus on having good trades and not blowing up, staying humble. That's it. Just keep the grind going,
Yep. And that's again, I mentioned it at the beginning. That's the biggest thing I respect out of you is your mindset. You're the furthest thing from a get rich quick guy I've ever seen. You just want to kind of refine and grind, and you're willing to put in that effort. And I think that's the biggest thing the viewer should take away from this is to have that mindset, because in my opinion, I don't want to get you too cocky, but you're almost guaranteed success if you keep that mindset.
Yeah.
That work ethic and that mindset is perfect for this niche. And if you just keep doing that,
slowly keep grinding up, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Not gunslinging, not going through these huge drawdowns and these huge upward spikes, Just keep slowly grinding it out. And I enjoy the process. That's why that's why I can keep doing it, because I like waking up in the morning. I like, waiting for my stocks to set up. I like trading. And then, I don't have to, work or do anything, go to college and party and waste my life away doing a frat or anything. So just slowly keep grinding trading.
And that passion, that passion is what you need. It's you just talk about those dark days and those red months, but you love it enough that you're willing to keep showing up even though it's bad. It's bad. But if you've got that passion and if you really want this and you stay at it, you can be successful over time. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.